I'm Shivali. I'm the co-founder of this company called Global Edge. We have a rich experience of 11 years in the field of overseas education, and we are sending students to more than 21 countries, including UK, Europe, Canada, Australia, Ireland, USA, New Zealand, and many more, even Singapore, Dubai. And my team has counseled more than 57,000 students as of date, and we are yet just going on and on. So we are happy to welcome you in our family. Now, I will be touching on some points to remember for a successful offer. So IELTS is not mandatory at the time of application. UK visa, there is a face-to-face interview. Please understand that you have to know where you're going, what you're doing, which course, understand your career goals, because your visa can get rejected otherwise if you fail to explain them all these things. Open schools are allowed, distance education is allowed for UK. They don't have a problem with those things. Gaps are okay if explained well and they are proved well. So people who have some gap in the education and stuff like that, they can go to UK. MBA is possible without experience. Bank loans are easily given. Please don't apply for courses if you have failed several times in that. So for this, especially for masters, okay? Please be careful. We need to study your mark sheet before we give you the courses. DET is only for this intake, okay? Okay, now for COVID, you can opt for online classes. Most of the universities are running hybrid. Hybrid means online and offline. So it all depends on if you are not able to leave India, then you can start with the online. And if you are able, even if you're in UK and you don't want to enter the university, you can go online. Otherwise, you can go for the face-to-face classes. The group size has been reduced. Classes have been made smaller, and many more lectures are happening for the convenience of people. It's quite safe. They're pretty much sure to allow international students in the campus. They all have been. This is all about it, and students have done masters can apply for one more masters, and 28 days old funds. Living cost in UK will fluctuate, and universities do not have any specific board. They see the total student and holistic approach. So I do get a lot of questions on this, that does Oxford like only IB students or something? Please don't go for that. It all depends on your approach with the university.
So my company's name is Global Edge, and you can get in touch with us for our services. We counsel students from more than 21 countries, and we help the students in shortlisting of courses, universities, countries, applications, admissions, scholarships, LOR, SOP assistance, and visa file preparation. Our head office is in Green Park, New Delhi, and you can connect with us, and my team of expert counselors will be very happy to help you out. We counsel students for countries like UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Ireland, and plenty more.